Hey there, today we're going to look at fixed lag in Fortnite Mobile Samsung 2025. So let's get started. First, search Lagafast Mobile Booster in the App Store or Google Play and download it. Over here, click the download button, then launch the Lagafast Mobile Booster. After that, launch Fortnite Mobile and search for Fortnite Mobile in Lagafast Mobile Boosters. Then click the boost button. Finally, go back to Fortnite Mobile and start playing. Over here, adjust the best Fortnite mobile settings. First, set mobile frame rate to 60 FPS. Then set user interface contrast to 1x. After that, set auto set quality to auto set. Then set quality presets to low. Over here, set 3D resolution to 35%. After that, turn off auto download high resolution textures. Then turn off high resolution texture reminders. Over here, turn on show FPS. Then turn off low power mode. After that, clear the cache on your Android device to free up resources. Then close unnecessary background apps to allocate more resources to Fortnite Mobile. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.